LVMH in talks to sell Marc Jacobs for $1 billion. Imagine the buzz in the fashion world right now. A colossal player like LVMH, the company behind iconic names such as Louis Vuitton and Dior, is seriously considering letting go of Marc Jacobs, one of its star fashion labels. This potential shakeup could command a hefty price tag of about $1 billion, based on whispers from those in the know. It's the kind of move that could redefine industry dynamics, and you might be wondering what this all means. Stick around, because we're diving into the details. First off, let's break this down for anyone new to the scene. LVMH, or Moët Hennessy Louis Vuitton, isn't just any corporation. It's a global giant that owns a portfolio of luxury brands, blending everything from high-end fashion to spirits and perfumes. They acquired Marc Jacobs back in 1997, turning it into a brand known for its innovative designs that mix elegance with everyday wear. Think bold patterns and accessories that celebrities love. Now, fast forward to today, and LVMH is in active talks with several interested parties about a possible sale. This isn't just idle chatter, it's serious negotiations that could lead to a major transaction. Digging deeper, the potential buyers include a mix of savvy investors and companies with their own brand empires. For example, Authentic Brands Group, which snapped up Reebok a few years ago, is one of the groups at the table. They're experts at reviving and expanding brands, often by licensing them to other retailers. Then there's Bluestar Alliance, the folks who own Brookstone. Remember those gadget stores? They're all about acquiring and revitalizing consumer brands to keep them relevant in a fast-changing market. And don't forget WHP Global, the parent company of Vera Wang, famous for wedding dresses and lifestyle products. They're another suitor looking to add Marc Jacobs to their collection. Each of these players brings a different strategy, whether it's through global expansion or digital marketing tweets. But here's where it gets controversial. Some industry watchers see this as a smart strategic pivot for LVMH, allowing them to streamline operations and focus on their mega brands like Louis Vuitton. Others argue it could be a risky move, potentially weakening LVMH's diverse portfolio and raising questions about long-term brand loyalty. After all, Marc Jacobs has a loyal following. Could a new owner change what makes it special? And this is the part most people miss. In an era where sustainability and digital innovations are key, how might a sale impact Marc Jacobs' future direction? Like shifting to more eco-friendly materials or enhancing online sales? What do you think? Is this a brilliant divestment or a potential misstep? Could a fresh owner breathe new life into Marc Jacobs, or might it lose its essence? I'd love to hear your take. Share your agreements or disagreements in the comments, and let's spark a conversation. LVMH in talks to sell Marc Jacobs for $1 billion. What this means for fashion. In a surprising turn of events, luxury powerhouse LVMH is reportedly looking to offload fashion brand Marc Jacobs for a cool $1 billion. But here's where it gets interesting. They're already in talks with multiple potential buyers, and a deal could be just around the corner, according to the Wall Street Journal. Now, LVMH is no stranger to the art of the deal. They've been known to both acquire and divest assets, like their acquisition of Tiffany in 2021 and the sale of Donna Karan and DKNY in 2016. More recently, they've sold their stakes in Off-White and Stella McCartney. In fact, LVMH's CFO, Cecile Cabanis, recently stated, "We will not cult brands if we believe they are not a good add-on or we are not the right operator to operate them." But here's the kicker. LVMH's overall business performance has taken a hit in the first half of the year, with earnings down 22% compared to the same period in 2024. The company blames macroeconomic factors like currency fluctuations, decreased tourist traffic, and comparisons to stronger year-ago performance. And this is the part most people miss. The luxury market has been going through a period of mixed results and shifting dynamics. High-income consumers are becoming more price-conscious and seeking greater value and quality in their luxury purchases. LVMH CEO Bernard Arnault even said the luxury industry was in the midst of highly turbulent times. But what do you think? Is LVMH making the right move by selling Marc Jacobs? Or should they hold on to the brand and weather the storm? Let us know in the comments below.